Hello, my name is Jessica Birch, and I am here to let you know about my fantastic experience with the 2-day workshop with Junior Anthony this past weekend. I went to both days and was excited because, well, there was so much information shared, first of all. And since I'm new to affiliate marketing and wanting to learn more about it, it was great. It was a little overwhelming, so I took notes, but it was overall a fantastic experience. I was really encouraged because it was live, number one. It wasn't a recording of somebody, which I've already experienced before and spent a lot of money doing that and not getting any returns. It was live. Junior was there actually talking to the group that was in the session. And so that was fantastic. We got to ask questions. We got to raise our hand. We got to respond back to his questions. And so I was really excited about that. I felt like this is real and not like some of the other affiliate marketing companies out there that are trying to do this, that you just watch videos, tons of videos, and you get 50 emails a day that say do this, this, and this, but you never get anywhere. So I was really excited to be able to be a part of this. Thank you, Orit, that was the person that reached out to me and brought me into this class. And another thing was that all the people that were in the class, we could all interact. We could interact with each other. We could talk to each other. We could share our stories. We could, just glean information together about what Junior Anthony does, what his company, Live Sotori, does, what it is, and his primary goal for doing this is to help people, which I am totally on board with. So I'm really excited to move forward with his with other things that he offers. So I'm excited about that, to join others, and I'm already attending meetings with other people that have already been in this for a while, and so I'm just really excited about it. I feel like this is real. I feel like it's something I can put my teeth and my time into. So thank you very much, Junior.